Y'all seen what my build name changed to? Hopped on the RNG 25. Still realize I'm the greatest. Kevin Durant, shot creator. Y'all see the upgrades in the stats. You see where everything's placed at. We gonna break it down. So the finishing in the build, it looks like that's where the weakest. That's where he's the weakest at. But that's where I'm kind of like the strongest at. Finishing is very easy for me. So it's like I can take the risk there. But watch how we work with KD. Just watch. Come around on the curl right here. The best shooting KD you'll ever see. Come on. Defense. He's angry. Hop, stab, lay. See how finishing easy for us? They just come to us naturally. Watch this movement. Shot creator. Mid-range assassin. Look at this. Dot. Every play is IQ. Every play is IRL. People don't like to see that though. They don't. They act like they do. Look at this. Stop. He's over there complaining. We got that set shot specialist. Oh, I told y'all once to get there. I told y'all. Cut. He really play like KD IRL. You watch KD IRL, what he does right now, IRL. This is exactly what he do. Exactly. They try to shoot, do their little comeback. Watch what we do to him in the end. The ultimate movement assassin. Now watch how I finish it off. Get the board. You hear him just rage in the back. Damn, you stuck. It's contested. Too elite. My teammates always like me. I'm always getting the player of the game. If 2K's registering me as that, you know, why do some of the randoms be hating? This guy's, he's appreciating me. Old head. He's appreciating the play style. Take a look at that in slow-mo. Like, look how I'm really moving. Take a look. Come up. This is not a CPU right here. Stop on him. Ooh. Then this crossover right here to get him. Oh, man. And then I still get the hop stat dunk. So you see why I say, guys, this dunking stats, you guys don't have to trip on that. Once again, showing y'all don't have to trip on that stat. You can still pull dunks off. Some people feel more safe doing the contact dunks and stuff. I get it. You don't really need it if you have this skill though. You could put it, you know, put your stats somewhere else. Go a little crazier. Right? Now here's just me playing more support, showing you how the KD build plays the support. I can get all the boards, you know, box out, taking time, patient, throw the assist right to the guard, just dot them up perfectly, you know what I mean? And do what we gotta do. Right here again, look at this. Big man closing out. Easy on the elbow. Gig players that know how to play like that, shoot like that, you be good to go. Box out the big man. You see we get the board. Another board again. Just support right here. Take a step in. Hit the midi. Boom. See that? Secure the shot. And I haven't shot all game because, you know, you play with one of these PGs like this who want to do a lot of moves. Look, that behind the back Garland. End the game off, though, because he finally needs me. And I'm playing in my position. Mid-range game. We too deadly. I also have some rec gameplay. I know you guys be wanting to see the rec, man. I know y'all feel like, oh, it's not for real if there ain't no rec gameplay. I got more coming. I just hopped back on 25. Alright. Now I just want to show y'all I'm guarding a gold tag. Tags do not matter. You see, they had a purple tag. These things don't matter. It's just time played. You could come up against 500 groups of bums versus 60 super elite. So it's like those odds can always just bounce around. Those things don't matter. Now watch. I want you guys to watch how my player, he's going to get off at first. Bow. Knocks down a 3. Life is feeling good for him. Things are looking great for him. Now, I'm not going to start off doing nothing crazy. Throw the ball up because it's like, okay. Don't let the team feel like you're going to sell. Stop. Bah. Right back. We shoot a midi. We go back to our original KD game. Don't worry, more to come. Now, this is another case where I'm with a team. They're not going to be feeding me the rock OD. See, I'm playing with another KD, hop, step in the paint, pump fake. You see, we use that paint project on silver. So if we pump fake go up, we good to go. Watch these wreck buckets. Now I want y'all to watch. Look at the time. Look at the time, right? They gave me a stupid layup animation. I'm like, come on. Look at the score. Right? We losing. My man was cooking a little bit. So this is why I always want to tell people, like, and show people this stuff doesn't matter. Gold tag, all that, you know. Okay. Look at this play coming up. I really have to work to get a bucket. All these guys are Garland, Lucas, snatchback, assassins. Look, gotta go in the paint like a big, catch it real quick, go up. That paint prodigy on silver does the job, especially when you got a high close shot. I got a super high close shot, so I could just put it up real quick. That's a bucket. 6'10" already. See what I mean? They gotta feed me. I'm getting all these SGA real KD paint buckets right now. Can't even really get any other shots because people will look at you as a big. They don't look at you like, oh, he's a KD big. So 2K has to do something to change that up, so that vibe could be there a little more. It was better when people knew you was there. 6'10" pure shot creator, you know. Certain times they give you it on plays. We need a fade, you know. Maybe they gotta go back simple. So watch how it starts. Look at the score. Look at this score. Bad pass. I seen it. Chased it down. Picked it up. Straight to the rack. See that? We don't gotta have no green dunk. He not catching up. He not blocking it. I don't need the contact dunk. You see what I mean? The dunks always just come free. The tougher shots for me is the shooting and the spin shots and the shot creator shots that we gotta pull off on them. So we want those at the highest stats attributes. Shot in the corner, you see what happens. We get the lead. Now the dude, he wasn't quitting yet. My man's still in the game. Watch him, he's still moving around, still trying to play, still trying to get off ball. It's just starting to look bad for him now. Passes to me. Pump fake, up and under. Oh my lord. This is when he started, like, look. This is when he starts to get a little shaky because he ain't leave yet. Y'all gonna see it pop up. We gonna let it play out though. So I can watch it. Look, he gets the ball. He trying to shoot this fade on me. That's all he been trying. That's all he was getting all game. I think he had a good 8 little points. Could have had 10. Big KD gets the ball. He's playing with a big KD. Watch this. Man misses in the corner. That ain't when he wanted to quit. It's all the IRL buckets that hit him. That's what made him start realizing, like, man, I don't think I want to play anymore. Look at this. Still moving around. I'm starting to play D because I'm like, nah, you ain't getting no more shots. Thought you was nice. Give me the board. KD, he's doing everything. Look at this. Hop step inside his body. SGA bucket. That was the SGA bucket. You hop step inside his body. Make that contact. Look at this. I'm back on D. I'm still here. Look at this. What he thought he was doing. Another one. Hey! And this one he quit. This is what I do. This is the real KD build, man. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like. That's it. After this, we ended up winning this game. Came back. My man quit. I ain't get nothing else. No other buckets because this team just wanted all the shots. Hawks. That's how it is in the rec, you know. Ugh! Still grabbing boards. Still doing what I gotta do though. Best KD build in the game. Hit the like, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.
John Gotti, life in prison, no chance of parole. John Gotti, life in prison, no chance of parole. John Gotti, life in prison, no chance of parole.